So and anopai e was Sompa 106.1 FM so yanchi atiefo nyina ne mama kwaba na ye mama chen so ensam ne doso wonim se World Cup rom pema ne pema koyanim sanso na fisam no so no bebre na wo ha ne matena si tip of sports and matena si amede brewi medi ene Mike G channel so dwumade e live on Facebook e Sompa 106.1 FM Techiman Sompa 106.1 FM Techiman yes also ye live on YouTube. Now YouTube no Sompa FM live. Sompa FM live on YouTube. Into betimi follow dwumade no. Ensam ne doso entimen chare ho no. Yen hyase wo afisem num na yen fansem ne nyina engu ematifo. Ye hyase dia wonim say Nukunu FC team ba kwa na Division 2 enomo na afi omatimi abo qualify abpm Division 1 Premier League num. Na no enoma point papa ni di Mr. Steve Opro Mr. Steve Puro no ono oma appointing as general manager man Nukunu FC. Na ohwe papa ya experience wo modern wa obo Ghana football no ma nyasem keto akra. Papa yi wadi ni juma ama 11 wonders pay. Sanso na Wa Power FC one omo edi juma pay. Afenso no Accra House of Folk regional circles chairman ni nyina no ade asa papa yi wotimi decide breya experience odeba no na twese nyasem keto akra Nukunu FC gidi se ba wo ba no ebeboa momode mono atumi akonkan pa na Aduana FC wonim se Aduana FC our striker ni di Ben Dauda Sidibe Ben Dauda Sidibe sabrantie yi obone homode pa enti ya metene se sabrantie wakopiem wo Zimbabwe na eho no Dynamos FC o masan abrantie no na permanent dealer eno nso ne di free hall ba ye dan chire amatiefo Brantie your bonne home de pa to be bogos ni ade a enti no okoto ne dwumade so e de ama Dynamos FC Zimbabwe eno so ene de free na kache a e ba na no pa ya dan chire e de ama tiefo nyina na Port City when him say recently omonso qualify ba league no na omo goalkeeper no eyade atrese obone home de pa Division 1 league no abrantie no chese modem a obone nyasem keto akra o the past 2 seasons watimi keep clean sheets ni ade atrese nyasem keto akra edi 2024-2025 season na abrantie no etimi keep 19 clean sheets and only the free hall 25-26 season no so no abrantie ni keep 16 clean sheets atrese nyasem keto akra na no ena deals bebre abatable no so abrantie no ntimi ko bado chiremu a enya de obekọ ba bia obetena Port City na wakoso a edi ni juma edi amomo 2026-2027 Ghana Premier League season ma enya asem keto akra ntino Abrantie goalkeeper ya mekana semi ose nyade obekọ ba bia Abdulaziz Karim no ose wotena Port City na wabo Ghana Premier League no na bibia nso timi akonkan edi amano na wonim se Brekum Chelsea enkane player na ne di Chelsea Abrantie no defensive midfielder ne di Kwasi Sorotu Baduri na Sabria Meno kase Abrantie na ko PM Bologna FC no Serie A no Italy no na Chelsea Sabria die on Italian side no yade o ma start pre-season na enyasem keto akra enti no obone homode power ho a yenhwe de be PM Serie A this season so obetimi abone homode de ama Bologna fo a na Chelsea no so ne de free ho a eba na wonim say Honorable Kofi Adams sports minister de Ghana eti Ghana sports minister no wono ena sem trefo ebisa is papa na ye hwe Ghana krampo ye World Cup ya ye koye ya ye rene ye first game 1-0 against Panama ye second game ye England 0-0 ye third game Croatia ye 2-1 and after Colombia ye 1-0 de ba fi na wo hwe ye modern mo na wo hu ne say Ghana ye modern mo ne konkan na wan kasa na impressive anampo no ugiri so ye koye no ya moye homode ye nkotie nsema Honorable Kofi Adams edituja.
So are you saying that the Black Stars exceeded your expectation?
I should say so. That they did quite well.
So they exceeded your expectation?
Not necessarily my expectation. I expected us to have gone further than we did. But our loss against Colombia, and before the game, I had all hopes that we were going to do something great. Unfortunately, we suffered some jolt very early. Our key defender suffered an injury, Senaya, and who was a discovery of the tournament, and so it created a leak in that side. And you observe that was the side through which the goal came. And at the time it came, he was down and out. So the subsequent actions that were taken still didn't help us. People thought, oh, maybe the coach should have improved the trust up front and not continue to protect the back, because for them, they feel that at the knockout stage, whether you lose by a goal or two or more, it's still a loss and that you were going home. So why not just try your luck by taking some steps to improve your trust up front? Well, they may be right. They may not also be right, because you don't just do that and also create a leaky back that could result in you even suffering more. But post games, you have all the opportunity to do the analysis that you want to do. I truly wanted us to win that game and would have gone even much further. Unfortunately, that didn't happen.
Honorable Kofi Adams, sports minister, and I attaining can also now hope is and keep it Colombia game, but yes, still say Black Stars exceeding the expectation. And you know, and some more can your cause will be son so. Yeah, because be with himself coach, I didn't call Carlos Quiros na Encanena Otuado, and now coachy a Ghana Black Stars team no na Yasaki Otuado no. Idea how and now we did this to Saki in a boa ama performance na konka. Yentin sama Honorable Kofi Adams ekai.
Talk about the coaching situation. You've actually mentioned that our preparation leading up to World Cup was not the best. And appointment of the coach at the time we did it was a problem. With hindsight now, should we have just kept on Otuado?
No.
Because of the proximity to the tournament?
No, but if you look at the losses that we were suffering in all your friendlies post the qualifications, you just couldn't trust only in God that Nyamibeye. Then it means that we're going to the World Cup with just Nyamibeye.
So no regrets with
no, I don't think so. I don't think so at all. If you watch the strategy of the new coach Carlos, and you looked at our friendlies that we came against the Wales, and our performance against Panama, and our performance against England, and even against the Croatia, you could see clearly that given much more time, a lot more could have been.
You were simply defensive. They packed the bar.
Enti the kind also to other debut. Yes, I can on the and say was tournament ni yemfa nyame be yenko. Was here prepare ni nya coach papa. Now your course will be saying say dear na a course ye modern mono who say ko ni antimi anhye da mo ye home modern sa. Ye bisa honorable chairman so talent ni dey will be players quality I want was ropa nanso no ahoboa ye anse ye ko World Cup no eno no na niamwa ya mwa ye hu ye na ahoboa no krampo ya anya ne ntem ohwe time aye ko ne time edi nya coach ni ade na ahoboa no ene di nya enkoti honorable
is in the US on that final day when we lost. For most Ghanaians, we went into that game very hopeful, and we spoke to you. You're very hopeful too. But was that a reality check? And that really what we saw was a true state of the Black Stars and the representation of Ghana and Ghanaian football, if you like.
Well, Evans, let's admit that talent we have, but the preparation towards this tournament wasn't the best of situation. Of course, we had challenges with the technical side, and many of us spoke about it. Many were those who were calling for a possible early decision in terms of who really manages our national team. Admittedly, we took a decision, but the decision was taken a bit late. That did not offer the coach the opportunity to be able to transmit something that we call a structure to the team. And so the Honorable Kofi Adams, your sports minister, and can also admittedly we took a decision, but decision no yan taking in Tamoya time a coach in Dubai ya na Tracy and Shadama. Ye bet na honorable nsem so na ye dia fisem nasi sabre ye kwama no ne bas ye kwama no no channel so jumadi e live on Facebook. The Facebook near Sompa 106.1 FM Techiman. Sompa 106.1 FM Techiman. Na YouTube Sompa FM Live. Sompa FM Live on Facebook YouTube rather. Until bet me follow jumadi no na bibia tima e kama. Ye kwama no ne
They win himself FIFA World Cup. Gradually, I can say Nana Jumadi Nina ban and pompon so na enra the second semi-final game course between Argentina and England. Na ye bobo na and Anthony Gordon, the new signee dema FC Barcelona Tiatine di kind. Na game ne koso sa eho and Brantia Nidi the Enzo Fernandez at take dema Argentina. Na ye course the referee toss ye be game na and Lautaro Martinez second goal. Argentina every game by 2-1. Now once again Argentina a comeback. Now after the game Lionel Messi the most valuable player no emano not just an icon of the match no already man of the match once again. Now we share this particular season and this particular tournament what J man of the match awards no bebre na nranso no osanje ba akoka ho na enyasem keto akra na ye bisa no ochremozo basoboni nyina enko emfama ni players no isanse oye 2 assists mum di nanso no assist no ye no senkenya de omokato atene manya de mfaso bia bebaso nti o say as the PSG enkoma players ni nyina any technical team no wo modern ma wo mobo na no ne ebopni papa ne di Thomas Tuchel when him say or your coach Edema England national team no amanfo bebrese we run and nanke ni say England defend watch 1-0 in the 55th minute na say was start defending near there na no and Thomas Tuchel chimo omo disappointed pa we ball omo ball run omo disappointed na o say na omo passive na twese omo she go ni wie no omo kogu akira no ntino omo concede a lot of chances no and a harm in the game. Into Thomas Tuchel.
The World Cup journey ends here at the semi-final. What are your immediate thoughts at full time?
Yeah, we're disappointed. We were so close, but we got too passive after we scored and conceded a lot of chances and could not turn the ball possession around. And just conceded so many crosses and chances and shots. So yeah, we were close, but couldn't keep the level up after we scored.
We've made defensive substitutions in the past
couple
of
We
matches.
were close, but we couldn't keep it up. Thomas Tuchel and I attaining can. Harry Kane, a captain, the 3 Lions of England. No, any business. So your dream in winning the World Cup 2026 up by Renaissance Argentina. Ashemutu na den abeka afa ho na Hurricane echirema osi onro omo share first goal no ase omo yese omo hold on to the game so to be 90 minutes enti no omo yese omo hold on to the game no Argentina for back game no eno Argentina for to me come back no yenti Hurricane.
Well Harry, it's the most heartbreaking way for your tournament to end. I know it's going to be incredibly raw, but what are your immediate thoughts?
Yeah, just gutted for the boys, gutted for everyone, the team, the staff, the fans. Yeah, we played a good game for the large majority of it. Once we went 1-0 up, we seemed to just try and hold on, which at this level is not enough. So just gutted because we've worked so hard to be here, and the lads have given every last bit of running, sweat, blood, tears, whatever it is. So to fall short like we did today is just gutted.
Why was it so hard to get any momentum?
Hurricane, any attending can also we try to hold on to the game, but I said this doesn't get you a World Cup final. So be 1-0 na could defend this to me found finals. Granted Hurricane, a captain the my England and I attending can now yeah to also there when him say Jumadi live on Facebook Sompa 106.1 FM Techiman. Sompa 106.1 FM Techiman. Samson on YouTube Sompa FM Live. Sompa FM Live on YouTube. Yan to us now yeah to also there. After say Hurricane Kasa, Thierry Henry, with him say, we have France International. And so, Wabo Basape, Wabo Asmape, just a legend in the game. Now, or your pundits, and Thierry Henry, I was here and or said the best team won. Now, just a team of born home or day and Oreni, or say Argentina, about the best of football, just a ball on my boy, now just on my ball, home or day pa. Was it England for no, or into a back 5 too early? Or say chese almost started almost defending Temdodo. We say go on the 55th minute now chese was started about 5 back. I was saying no there and said I'm why. You got Thierry Henry. I said the best team won yesterday.
Tina there to the promised land again. Thierry Henry, Zlatan Ibrahimovic and Alexi Lalas watching on. Thierry, make sense of that.
Yes, I can actually. The best team won. We talked about it yesterday. A different way, was a different game. Great attitude, mentality. Argentina played well though today. they played very good football. And I think that England went into a back five too early for my liking. Giving them the ball. They thought I'm not saying that they thought they won the game, it's not true, but they thought they had to defend the lead a tiny bit too early. And after that, obviously, if you're Argentina, you're going to throw strikers, people in the box. But one thing that Scaloni did exactly the same against Switzerland, Egypt, he put the little man on the right. Not in the middle, into traffic. He put him on the right. They're attracted on his right, obviously, they're attracted on the right.
They went into a back five too early for my liking. Thierry Henry and Yetin in Canona. Wouldn't say Nyame Adoma Sunday, a finals no Barcelona is happening between Spain and Argentina. Now, send a World Cup records netiano or might be a wajano, sa coach no every sa my name into Spain code de la Fuente, a idea or Spanish na Argentina, Lionel Scaloni, or also a Argentina, and definitely a or Maya or Beji, sa my cronany coach, and I'll bet me so I did trophy in the scene in Answa, a honsem any edit to the Diamati for Nano Pay. Now, when him say Sunday final never Barcelona, now tickets na the Baka game Nibino, Sunday World Cup games, no quality of matches are yano, not as a prices no cost pa the ticket prices no a cost pa nyasem keto akra enti no Lamine Yamal obesia ne idol Lionel Messi nyame adoma Sunday na ebeyere pa Messi berene anempo Lamine Yamal berene sabre wonim say is a best time to be a Barca fan who we do na friend a Barca final na Madrid for minim say omo be support Lamine Yamal say omo bragi omo so anempo omo Messi achi the free hoban na ticket nsem no now just a price no kwane cost na Sunday final no ticket no the da from crowd betimi purchase ya correct game ni bi no just the ne bo for crowd mpo no ay 4,451 euros. Now just 4,451 euros. That is the least I will betimi akwakoto. Now the highest I will be no ay 188,803 euros. Not just say 188,803 euros. It's a range from a year 4,451 euros to 188,808 euros. Now, and Spain Football Federation, no matter about Tomusu, there be FIFA. We are the extortion because of your game. I correct. Now, just say you qualify finals, your fans be correct. Now, just a ticket prices no cost to say. Now, just the way the Sicano was through the Olimpo accommodation and a transport crampo no enya mai. Now, just say, you know, Omaba Bontia or more condemn FIFA. So prices no, I was through too much. A FIFA enya who be sabi or monsono. Ebet me a momo fans about behavior. Now, no, and our FIFA president Gianni Infantino, when himself papa or Bonnie Homer in power, no, and just or expand the FIFA World Cup, no, call 48 teams or anymore. So in the year 2030, or expand the 64 teams. Now, papa, I release an official one very teams I be hosting the 2030 World Cup. No, now just say papa, Omoko Congress now announcing on Yasem Keto Accra. Into why and why, and now my buying the be hosting the 2030 FIFA World Cup. Yankoti Gianni Infantino, FIFA president.
Officially confirmed that the hosts of the FIFA World Cup 2030 will be Morocco, Portugal, and Spain. Mabruk, felicitación, parabéns, felicidades.
Enti papa ni di ede Gianni Infantino FIFA president o chema in the year 2030 dia Morocco, Portugal and Spain ebe hosti enti co-host we say Portugal ne Spain nyina wo Europe Morocco Africa until the second time ebenya African nation all hosting FIFA World Cup ni be 2010 Abra Spain no South Africa and a hostie here from Africa the first time Africans with me hostie be no 2030 World Cup no Portugal, Morocco and Spain and a beko hostia and also no the free wa eba na nyame adoma Saturday third place no be koso na that game the game between France and England. France and England. And when him say Nana aye bia for Gianna. Nana aye bia for Gianna. Dumasian Koswahene. Aha, Nana aye bia for Gianna. Dumasian Koswahene. Now the year 2023, after say your ball 2022 World Cup and 2023 no Barbontin and I will train our stars now. We read these stars now. Stars need to say 2026 World Cup. Finalists no be Argentina, Spain, and France. Now we train France be the third. France the third we are. Argentina ni Spain ebebo finals no na at the end of the finals no na aibia for Jana Chemwa Argentina be Spain into Chema Argentina be the first Spain your second France your third into na aibia for Jana Dumasian Koso hine wono eno de sansem ni 2 da na no pa ye da chire ede amatie for nti nyame adoma Saturday ye be hwese France betimi di third na Sunday no finals ni hwese Argentina betimi aja e bani sa na chese investors no amanfo bebre na wo mudi gusu ni ade but unim se wo ya na wahwe ni nti no juma de se na me kai no live on Facebook Sompa 106.1 FM Sompa 106.1 FM Techiman Sompa 106.1 FM Techiman YouTube Sompa FM Live Sompa FM Live. Into the Nyame Adoma Saturday, you better say now the live commentary of the third place game at bro. Samson a Sunday, finals no you better say na live commentary there bro. I'm running call my fancy na Adiachi bia ento aso emfama medi ene my G systematic press and I ne or the call Facebook ni YouTube ni nyina na owo hina champion e wo fidema Adiachi bia oto aso e dia ma